This 65% hand sanitizing solution is super simple. We're going to start with 99% isopropyl alcohol, aloe vera gel, and eucalyptus oil. If you don't have isopropyl alcohol, feel free to use vodka. In a sanitized bowl, we're going to add our alcohol. Next, we're going to add our aloe vera gel. You can find aloe vera gel in the pharmacy section of your grocery store. You can order it online. And if you can't find it at all or you don't have it, simply use water. You'll want to incorporate your aloe vera gel with a whisk or fork at the same consistency you might whisk eggs. Next, we'll add in our essential oils 1 drop at a time. The mixture may become a little cloudy. That's okay. Finally, we'll stick blend this concoction to make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly immersed and equally dispersed throughout the hand sanitizer. We've scraped down the bowl and poured the contents into a squeeze bottle with a narrow tip. This way, it makes it much easier to pour the contents into a 1/2 ounce or a 1 ounce squeeze bottle container. Enjoy a free sample of this hand sanitizer with your next online order at uniqueandnatural.com while our supplies last. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more do-it-yourself recipes and natural tips. Thanks for watching.